Hello and welcome guys to Eduception. In this video we are going to discuss the reduced syllabus for the ICSE 2022 Geography Class 10 Board Examination. Watch this video till the end, and if you like it, do hit the thumbs up button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel Eduception. Also press the bell icon to get notified of all our videos. Before beginning with the reduced syllabus, let me tell you that Eduception has covered almost the entire syllabus of ICSE Class 10 Geography. The link to that playlist will be in the description box below and your top right corner. Make sure that you watch it, it will surely help. Now let's begin with the reduced syllabus. For geography, we will go section by section, that is topography, map pointing and the theoretical part. We begin with topography. From topography, the first thing that has been removed is 6-figure grid reference. So you don't have to study 6-figure grid reference. Secondly, from landforms, hill, valley, ridge or water divide and escarpment have been removed. So you don't have to study the landforms, hill, valley, ridge or water divide and escarpment. Next, conventional symbols have been removed from the syllabus. Now over here let me tell you that you guys will have to study a few conventional symbols, because for other parts of topography, say for example identifying the drainage pattern, identifying the settlement pattern, identifying natural features, identifying man-made features, identifying the mode of communication, the mode of transport, you will have to know a few conventional symbols. So conventional symbols may have been removed from the syllabus, but you will have to study a few conventional symbols for other parts of topography. And indirect distance has been removed from the syllabus. That means the distance that you had to calculate using a string, that thing has been removed from the syllabus. So you don't have to study indirect distance. So guys, these were the topics that have been removed from topography. Over here let me tell you that we have covered the entire section of topography. The link to that playlist will be in the description box below and your top right corner. Make sure you watch it, it will surely help you to understand topography easily. Now we'll move on to the next section, which is map pointing. Let's check out the things that have been removed from map pointing. From mountains, Karakoram Range, Garo, Khasi, Jayantia and Mount K2 have been removed. From coastlines, Kanara Coast and Northern Sircars have been removed. From rivers, Ravi, Beas, Chenab, Ghagra, Gomti, Gandhak, Son and Damodar have been removed. From water bodies, Gulf of Mannar, Palk Strait and Vular Lake have been removed. From passes, Nathula Pass has been removed. From latitude and longitude, Tropic of Cancer has been removed. From winds, western disturbances have been removed. From minerals, Digboi for oil and Singhbhum for iron ore have been removed. From soil, laterite soil and red soil have been removed. And finally from cities, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Kochi, Chandigarh, Srinagar and Visakhapatnam have been removed. So guys, you don't have to study these things in map pointing. Now over here I would like to tell you that we have covered the entire section of map pointing. The link to that playlist will be in the description box below and your top right corner. Make sure that you watch it, it will surely help you understand map pointing easily. Now we'll move on to the theoretical part. Let's check out the topics that have been removed from the theoretical portion. From the chapter Mineral and Energy Resources, bauxite has been completely removed and tidal energy and geothermal energy have been removed. So 3 topics have been removed from the chapter Mineral and Energy Resources, which are bauxite, tidal energy and geothermal energy. Next, From agriculture, the entire section of types of farming in India has been removed. From food crops, millets has been removed. And from cash crops, soybean, jute and coffee have been removed. So you don't have to study these topics from agriculture. Next, from mineral based industries, in iron and steel industry, Bhilai plant and Visakhapatnam plant have been removed completely. So you don't have to study about Bhilai plant and Visakhapatnam plant from the iron and steel industry section of mineral based industries. Next, from agro based industries, silk industry has been completely removed. So you don't have to study about silk industry from agro based industries. Finally, from waste management, the entire section of impact of waste accumulation has been removed. So you don't have to study anything from impact of waste accumulation for the chapter waste management. So guys, these were the topics that have been removed from the theoretical portion of geography. With the end of this, I will end this video over here. As I have already mentioned before, we have covered almost the entire syllabus of ICSE Class 10 Geography. The link of the playlist is in the description box below. Do check it out, it will surely help. New videos on Eduception are coming very soon, so stay tuned. Until then, this is Rishi on behalf of Eduception signing off. And guys, take care.